Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone after update. If your iPhone personal hotspot not working, here are a few troubleshooting steps you can try to get connected. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First step is to start iPhone to fix personal hotspot problem in iOS 17. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best one. When you use your iPhone frequently and have several programs running in the background, your iPhone's processing can become slower and even experiencing some bugs. There is a chance your iOS 17 hotspot problem can be resolved simply by restarting your device. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, next tap on Shutdown and then slide to Power Off, and then leave your iPhone off for 30 seconds to a minute before turning it back on, and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is toggle airplane mode to fix hotspot issues in iOS 17. Airplane mode disables the device wireless transmissions functions. This includes cellular radio, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Sometimes when you are facing hotspot problem in iOS 17, enabling and disabling airplane mode can help resolve the problem by restarting your network connection. To do this, pull down your control center, or you can do this to going to Settings and then tap on airplane mode toggle button to turn it on. Wait for some time and then again tap on airplane mode toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is disable your VPN. Using a VPN is a smart way to protect your online privacy. It can also cause issues with mobile connectivity on the iPhone. VPN routes your traffic through its servers, and this can decrease your connection speed. It is recommended to disable VPNs when using your mobile's hotspot to prevent connection problems. For this, go to Settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on status toggle button to disable VPN, and you are done. And the next step is disable low power mode. If low power mode shuts off any secondary functions and keeps only the essential tasks running on your iPhone in order to save battery. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then go to Battery and then tap on low power mode toggle button to disable it, and you are done. And also you should turn on low data mode. And the next step is update the latest version of iOS. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. iOS offers a built-in way to erase users' data and restore settings to the factory defaults. However, you can also take a more granular approach by only removing certain kind of data. In the case of your iPhone personal hotspot not working after iOS 17 update, you only need to delete the network settings. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, next tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. You will need to enter your passcode before the phone lets you proceed. Reset process will remove all your Wi-Fi and carrier settings and delete your custom iPhone name. This will give you a blank slate to make sure there was not any erroneous network settings causing the hotspot problem, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of personal hotspot not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.